Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Lewis and welcome to my course, Practicing CI/CD with AWS CodePipeline. I've been architecting applications in AWS for many years in my work for large enterprises as a cloud engineer, and I've used CodePipeline for CI/CD in both large and small projects. Coding and development is just one part of creating software, and figuring out how to get your awesome application to users isn't easy. If you're working in AWS, then CodePipeline is going to be your new best friend for building and deploying your applications. In this course, we're going to create a pipeline in CodePipeline to build and deploy a demo application. Some of the major topics that we will cover include deployment from CodePipeline, running automated tests, invoking Lambda functions from a pipeline, and CodePipeline monitoring and notifications. By the end of this course, you'll have all the tools needed to use CodePipeline for your CI/CD needs with AWS. Before beginning the course, you should have a good understanding of AWS services and have some experience using them. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn CodePipeline with the Practicing CI/CD with AWS CodePipeline course at Pluralsight.